Brother, what is your name?
My name is Musa Akelvi, sir. Sayyid
You
Khunveer
are
Musa.
belonging from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad constituency.
Which party will be win?
Sir, All India Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin.
Why?
Because, sir, right now, as the present scenario showcases, in Hyderabad, every party has fielded its candidate.
Okay.
BJP has fielded Madhavi Lata, Congress has fielded Samir Waliullah, and
BRS
Gaddam Srinivas. But, sir, let me tell you something, that over the past years, when the rule of BJP was dominating India, and caste fights based on caste and religion were everywhere in the country.
OIC what is doing?
In Hyderabad, he is the only
is also doing
voice.
same thing.
No, he is not doing. Sir, show me one place where he did that. Show me one hate speech. Everything that Asaduddin Owaisi does is based on the constitution.
Okay.
So show me one place where he has said something that goes against the law. Because if he would have done that, he has so many enemies, right?
Okay.
BJP is there, Congress is there. If he was wrong, they would have caught him.
Okay.
There is not a single case on Asaduddin Owaisi.
Okay.
And he is the only leader in parliament right now who supports every community.
Okay.
You should come to Darussalam. I'm a student of Deccan College only. You come to Darussalam right now. I don't think Saab will be there today because election campaign is going on. But people from every community will be
He
there.
is not belonging to only one religion.
Yeah,
then why he is winning again and again?
Sir,
Ante
because
which basis? Ante development
sir,
basis?
basis of development. You travel all over the Hyderabad and you see that minority Muslims, due to MIM representation, minority colleges, residential schools are there. And did you see Nampalli Anisul Ghurba?
Okay.
Very good, big. On a grand level, they made an orphanage.
Okay.
Why? Because of representation through MIM. This is why I will vote for MIM.
Okay. What about remaining parties, BRS and
Sir,
BJP?
I'll tell you about Madhavi Lata.
Okay.
She is the chairperson of Virinchi Hospitals. Such a big hospital. She's MD there. Very educated, right? Educated, right? Now, you tell me, how can she target one certain community? Did you see that video of her shooting an arrow? What is that, sir? Is this India? India is a union of states.
Okay.
It is not one country. Okay, BJP cannot dictate how other states follow their election processes. So what is this shooting arrows and 40 साल पहले रह रहे?
Okay. She is telling about that too. It's a fake video edited.
Fake video, sir.
No. She is doing that, but there is some masjid hai na.
Masjid. Begum Bazar Masjid.
Okay.
She did it wantedly. It is completely evident that she is doing that to showcase enmity towards the Muslims.
So you will cast your vote to
For Asaduddin Owaisi. And let me tell you something, sir. BJP says that it sabka saath sabka vikas, as our Prime Minister says. But then tell me, sir, when they say that they are supporting Muslim women, why did they ban hijab?
Okay.
आपको मुसलमान औरतों को आगे बढ़ाना है, पसमंदा मुसलमान औरतों को पढ़ा के आगे बढ़ाना है, तो आप मुसलमान औरतों का स्कूल को जाना बंद क्यों करा रहे सर? हिजाब बैन करे तो हम नहीं निकलते. हिजाब इज आवर पर्सनल राइट. हम हमारा राइट को रोक दे रहे हैं. आपको बोले शर्ट पहन के बाहर न जाना, रिपोर्टिंग को आप जाते, कोई भी नहीं आ सकते. जब मुसलमानों की इतनी हिमायत कर रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं आप, इतनी मदद करते बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर कहीं को कर रहे हैं. और एक चीज़ आप देखो, मुसलमानों का सबका साथ सबका से विकास बोलते, मुसलमानों की काउ लिंचिंग कितना हो रहा सर? And let me tell you one more thing. India is number 2nd largest exporter of beef. And when asked, they'll say it is not indicus. There is a species of cow which my Hindu brothers consider sacred. And he is telling that Subramaniam Swamy, very learned MP from BJP, he is telling that it is not one specific species of cow. We only respect one specific species of cow, and the rest we can slaughter. Sir, what is this hypocrisy, sir?
Okay.
What is this hypocrisy?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Asaduddin Owaisi, sir, this is not based on my religious preferences, nothing at all. I want to say that Hyderabad is a symbol of unity in Hyderabad. You should see in all over India, there has been many riots, many dangas. But show me one time where it happened in Hyderabad. When that MLA from Goshamel, Raja Singh, when Raja Singh did blasphemies in the name of our holy prophet, if it had been some other place, with the power and the power and the condition of Muslims we are, Had it not been Asaduddin Awaisy's rule, riots would have engulfed Hyderabad.
Okay.
But what happened? It didn't. We peacefully protested and we got him into jail. PD Act में डाले अंदर.
Okay.
तो हैदराबाद एक इत्तेहाद का सिंबल है.
According to that, BJP also suspended him.
या बीजेपी also suspended him.
Yeah, of course.
सर बीजेपी का क्या है मालूम सर, एक मुद्दा आया. सी इफ समथिंग कैचेस नेशनल अटेंशन नो सर, दे विल रिएक्ट टू इट और एल्स दे विल टेक लाइट. वो कर्नाटका का इलेक्शन का दैट देवेगौड़ा, do you remember Prime Minister Devegowda, his grandson, maternal grandson, do you remember what he did? It is said he has 2,400 sexually abused videos.
Okay. Yes.
So and they took light until when? Until everyone brought up that news. So जब तक कोई मुद्दा national attention नहीं करता, इन लोग लाइट लेके बैठते. जब सबको मालूम होता तो इन लोग क्या करते? Then they'll take action.
Okay.
You got me, sir.
Yeah, I can understand. Thank you so much.